In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Scoro features comparison for project management. Let's walk through what each platform is built to do, how their features differ, and which strengths might matter most for your team. By the end, you'll have a clear sense of when to choose a broad, AI-driven work hub and when a professional services automation system with deep financial control is the better fit. First, ClickUp. It's positioned as software to replace all software, aiming to pull scattered work into one place and eliminate what it calls work sprawl, the loss of time and focus when tasks, updates, and knowledge live in too many disconnected tools. At the center is ClickUp Brain, a 24/7 intelligent assistant that sits across your workspace. It answers questions in context, helps manage projects, and even provides AI talk-to-text so you can capture ideas and updates up to 4 times faster. Beyond the assistant, ClickUp includes specialized AI agents designed for different functions. Project management agents track deliverables and keep work moving. Marketing agents can draft copy, and software agents help generate quality code. There are also agents focused on operations and improving the employee experience, reducing manual check-ins and nudges that slow teams down. The promise is straightforward. Close the gap between strategy and execution by automating the busy work and making information instantly available. ClickUp highlights results like a 384% return on investment and savings of 92,400 hours with payback in less than 6 months. It's also enterprise grade, with security standards such as SOC2 and GDPR, and it's used by more than 10 million teams. The vision here is breadth. Bring tasks, updates, and collaboration into one unified platform, then layer intelligence over it, so every department works faster and more consistently. Now Scoro. This is a professional services automation platform built specifically for consultancies, agencies, and IT firms that need precise control across projects, resources, and finances. Instead of starting from general work management and expanding outward, Scoro starts from the full project lifecycle, often described as quote to cash, and unifies sales, delivery, and financials in one real-time system. The result is end-to-end visibility. You can build an advanced quote, track it through delivery, keep an eye on budgets and margins as work progresses, and ensure invoices reflect reality, all without jumping between tools. A key strength is resource planning. Scoro helps teams forecast and balance workloads proactively, which supports utilization targets and helps prevent burnout. Communication friction is reduced as well. By bringing everyone onto a single platform, status updates are less manual, and leadership has a consistent view of progress and profitability. Financially, Scoro goes deep. Advanced quoting, real-time budget tracking, and margin protection tools are central, not add-ons. It also includes ELI, Scoro's AI companion, which understands natural language to help interpret complex data and take action quickly. For teams trying to simplify their tech stack, Scoro replaces spreadsheets and multiple point solutions while still integrating with common tools like Jira, QuickBooks, and Google Calendar. On the security side, it's enterprise-ready with ISO 27001 certification and granular access controls. Reported outcomes include up to a 20% improvement in utilization and a 33% increase in profitability, and you can explore it with a trial or a demo. So, how do these approaches compare in practice? Think of ClickUp as a cross-functional work hub powered by AI. If your team struggles with fragmentation, docs in one place, tasks in another, updates lost in chat, ClickUp's model of unifying work and adding always-on assistance can make an immediate difference. The AI talk-to-text and role-specific agents aim to move routine writing, coordinating, and status chasing into the background so people can focus on higher value work. Security and scale are covered, and the claims around time savings and ROI reflect this automation-first philosophy. Scoro, on the other hand, is purpose-built for service businesses where profitability depends on accurate scoping, efficient delivery, and tight financial oversight. If your day-to-day requires precise quoting, constant visibility into budget burn, and proactive resource allocation, Scoro's specialized tooling is designed for exactly that. Its strength is the continuity from pre-sale to final invoice, with financial insights embedded at every step. Eli, the AI layer, helps you interrogate the data and act faster, but the core value is that integrated operational and financial control. When deciding, start by identifying whether your top priority is broad work orchestration across many departments or disciplined, finance-aware delivery for client projects. Choose ClickUp if you need a single, AI-enhanced workspace to centralize tasks and collaboration, with intelligent agents that support marketing, product, project management, and operations in one place. Choose Scoro if your success relies on quote-to-cash visibility, protecting margins with real-time budget tracking, and maintaining healthy utilization through proactive resource planning. It can also help to consider your current pain points. If leaders ask for status and it takes hours to compile updates, ClickUp's AI assistance and centralized workspace can reduce that overhead. If finance and delivery teams wrestle with mismatched spreadsheets, inaccurate quotes, or late margin surprises, Scoro's integrated financial tooling will likely be the faster path to reliability. On integrations and security, both platforms meet enterprise expectations, with ClickUp emphasizing SOC 2 and GDPR, and Scoro emphasizing ISO 27001 and fine-grained access. Finally, keep the outcomes in view. ClickUp speaks to large-scale time savings and rapid payback by eliminating context switching and automating routine work. Scoro points to measurable gains in utilization and profitability by standardizing how projects are sold, staffed, delivered, and billed. Both reduce tool sprawl, but they do so with different starting points and end goals. That's the comparison. If you found value in today's video, hit the like button, drop a note in the comments, and subscribe to the channel.